If you have a loose battery connector, you may notice the car is not turning on. And when you check the terminal connector is all the way tight. In my case, it is the same situation. Connector is all the way tight, but it is still loose. It is very easy fix. Either you can buy terminal sleeves, link is in the description, or there is another workaround. You can use a small piece of metal. If you do not have a metal, then you can use a food jar and cut a small piece. Now lose a terminal. I fold piece of metal like this, do the same thing. Try to make it round if it is possible. Now take out the connector and place the metal inside the connector. Now place the connector back on the terminal. It might give a small spark, but that is common. Now use the hammer and tap metal piece very slowly so it can fit within the connector. Now secure the connector. Now make sure connector is not loose anymore. As you can see, it is properly secured now. I am turning on the engine to see whether it is working or not. As you can see, car is turning on properly. If you like the video, give the thumbs up. Until the next video, goodbye.